Well, I need to get this mail call out of the way. Camo Dave, Camo Club, and then Camo Dave YouTube. The videos I watched about him is when he'd pop up because he's mentioning my name in his videos, because he liked my outdoor cooking videos, and he would display some of them and show you a little tidbit about it. I appreciate that. I got 3 YouTube boards, sticker boards, people over the years have sent me. We'll get them up on that board real quick. So just to let you know, he died of heart attack in his sleep. Unless it's a big joke, I think it's real. My understanding is people were texting him, calling him, leaving him comments and all this stuff because he wasn't posting a video, and that's weird. They did a welfare check with the police, and they went and they found him. Let's get him on the board. As you see here, that's my first sticker board I started. Got this one. I got one more. We put Dave right there. And here's my newest board. Who do we have on here? We got my buddy Blind Views. We got the Old Farmer's Wife. We got Badge and Hero Soap Company. We got Strong's Adventures. Let's see which other ones we got that y'all in the van life nomads would know. Oh, RV Rebel Girl Carolyn, yeah. Deb's Van Venture, Cool Breeze Adventures, Full Tiny House. Y'all know who they are. Nomadic Fanatic, The Camping Chick. Those channels I've camped with. Lollapalooza. And Blind Views draws all the Lollapaloozas. Alright, get you some Uncle Steve shake. And there's Papa Texas. Yeah. Take care, God bless.